Guys, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So in this class, we are going to discuss about a design thinking based project on automatic street light system for energy consumption reduction. Right. So here, the ultimate aim of this project is to minimize the power consumption, the usage of power consumption. So the objective is whenever the vehicle or animal or human being enter into the street, the automatically the light will turn on. So if there is nothing in the street means some portion of the light is will turn off. So for the aim is to minimize the energy consumption. So for that we have inbuilt many components in this project, and each component have its own usage, and to detect something or for example to turn on the light or turn off the light. So each component will perform some action. So this is what we are going to discuss in this class. So I let this platform for all of you to discuss about your opinion about this project.
Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain about the parts we included in this project. We have included three IR sensors which detects the motion, whether it sends any movement or any other actions detected. It sends to the relay motor which is connected to the all three sensors. It sends signal to the main power source which converts the AC into DC into AC current and gives the power supply to the sensors and turn on the light whenever there is an action. When it turns on only whenever it needed. Thank you.
So let me explain about the working principle of the project, sir. There are three sensors which are located in the entering path and the walking through the area, and another one is the exiting path, sir. So that it can be sense the motion of the vehicle or humans or any animals which are walking through this path, sir. First of all, these sensors are working with the help of capacitors and the energy supplied from the energy sector, sir. So that if suppose a car is entering through this way means it will sense the motion of the car, so that the particular area lights will be turned on, sir, and another will be turned off, sir. And while the car is moving to the other parts means these lights will turn off and the remaining lights will turn on, sir, so that it will be very useful for the energy consumption and reduction, sir.
Uses artificial intelligence to detect the vehicle and movement of any animal or human being while walking on the street. It will detect the anyone, and the light will be closer in night times. In the daytime, it will store energy from or any solar panel in the movements. During the current, it will, if any movement in the road, it will detect and the light will be glowed. It reduces the current efficiency, sir, and it is eco-friendly and helps smart city development and reduce maintenance costs, sir. And solar power is used in this development, sir.
So adding to that point, we are using solar energy. I mean solar street light. So here automatically we are using a renewable energy source like solar energy, and also we are reducing the power consumption. So automatically it will increase the energy efficiency. So what is your contribution in this system, Prasanna Venkatesh?
Sir, yes, sir. In this, we can see up to this date, this is very important. But as now Israel and Iran was going, the rate of crude oil is very high. So we need to implement this to all cities. So the power consumption will be very less and effective also. Then. By this method, we can also give the electricity to the agriculture sectors, because they are very need of electricity for their basic needs and agriculture fields.
Sanjay, your opinion about this project?
So I'm going to talk about the uses of the automatic streetlight system. So hello everyone, I am Sanjay. I am going to talk about the uses of automatic streetlight system. In this system, this is used for streets and highways, and this is improves the night visibility and safety. So the main point is this reduce the power wastage. We use in this system, we use solar energy. so the power wastage is reduced. Overall, is this project the human effort is reduced in this project, and this is used in schools and college campus, and
Power consumption will be low.
yeah, power consumption will be low. This is reduce power wastage.
Yeah, through solar panel, we can save a lot of energy through this project, sir.
Which also controls global warming.
Yeah.
So here we are using the power consumption, so reduction of power consumption. So why we need to reduce the power consumption? So because now we have a drastic depletion of the fossil fuels like petrol, diesel. So the availability is very less, and the availability is drastically reducing. So for that case, we have to find the alternative power sources to meet the demand created by the petrol and diesel. So for that we have different renewable energy resources that we can available abundantly in the nature, naturally. So like solar energy, then hydro power plant, thermal power plant. For thermal power plant we need the coal in order to produce the energy. Then tidal energy. So we have a number of renewable energy resources, and so that is the reason why we are going for the renewable energy resources and the power reduction of power consumption. So that is the keyword associated with this project, and so we had a great discussion. Thank you.
Thank you.